Kurumirira itua ria mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto na munini wake Professor Kithure Kindiki ria kuhoya mohero ni mbeu njithi kumana na maruru maria matungirwo ni honge cia ugitiri hindi ya mirurungano ya kuregana na watho wa kigina wa mwaka muhituku. Riu mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga ni uritie thirikari itikire kuriha family iria andu ao makuire kana makigurarira mirurungano-ini iyo. Odinga ugite kuhoya urekeri ni ikinya ria mbere hari gwetha wiguano na mbeu njithi no kuri na family iria ciahutirio ni ikuo kana nguraro na hari na bata wa gucigiria maithori.
We have had several challenges. We have had a lot of issues. 2 years ago, we were on the streets. And even last year, they were on the streets, the Gen Zs. So that during the prayer breakfast, there was apologies that were being made, which is wonderful, as a first step to reconciliation. I want today to say that we should do compensation to families of those who died and those who were injured, so that we can have a closure to this chapter of our national history.
Akiaria rikiharo-ini kia Raila Odinga kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay hindi ya mambura ma madaraka ma mwaka uyu, Odinga ni atitirithitie bata wa utongoria wa bururi guthingatithia urumwe na wiguano kuri muingi wa bururi niguo kugacirithia uthii wa na mbere na gwithema na ngui na njatukano.
We want Kenyans to live in peace and in unity. Githurwa
Okaidinio kau ni ateteire thirikari cia matura iria ikoretwo igumiirwo ni mathina kiondorita ari ni hamwe na gucerithirio gwa kigina kuma kuri thirikari nene, kwaga kugairwo kigina gia kuigana na gutunywo mahinya mamwe ni honge ingi cia thirikari, akiuga gukinyanira kwa thirikari cia matura kuri na uhoti wa gucenjia miturire ya Kenya.
I want to invite you, Your Excellency, to ensure that devolution works. Empower the devolution. Number one, by giving more resources coming down to the counties. Let the counties have sufficient resources so that they can be able to provide services to the people.
Handu-ini hake munini wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki ni akumithitie atongoria mung'ethaniro akiuga marahunjia uteti wa ngayukano, riu akiuria muingi wa bururi ndugetikire kuhurithanio.
And going forward, Your Excellency, we look forward to your partnership, yourself and His Excellency Raila Odinga and the rest of us who are fortunate to be in leadership positions, to build a more united Kenya, a more inclusive Kenya, where one's place of birth, religion, ethnicity doesn't have to count. Rather, their merit and what they bring on board in the contribution of our national development is what matters.